Welcome to EduRev.
So this was what we were talking about in the previous video, conversion from decimal systems to other systems. Okay, so let's look at the example. The example is given in a decimal system which is 43 to the base 10. We have to convert it to a base 16. Okay, we have to convert it to a hexadecimal base. Now how do we convert it? Now your number is 43. ठीक है, you have to convert it to a base 16. My question to you is 16 के टेबल में 43 से closest value कब आती है? What is the value which is close to 43 in the table of 16 but it should be less than 43? So that is 16 twos are 32. ठीक है, so this will be 16 twos are 32. But I have to go up to 43. So I have to add 11 more. So what will I do? I will add 11. This will be 16 to the power 1 into this will be 16 to the power 0 because 16 acts as the base of the hexadecimal number system. So what will we do? We will pick 2 from here. We will pick 11 from here. But the number 11 is not written as 11. As we have seen in the hexadecimal system, number 11 is nothing but B. देखो 0 to 9 we use the numbers, then A stands for 10, B stands for 11, C stands for 12 and so on. So this becomes 2B. So 43 to the base 10 is the same as 2B to the base 16. Now let's look at another question. They have given us such a big number and you have to convert it into a hexadecimal system again. So what do? I'll make a table here. ठीक है, I will divide 55276 by 16 and whatever is the remainder I will write that in the final column. ठीक है, so if I divide 16 by 55276 this will be 16 3s are 48. I have 7 remaining, so I have 16 4s are 64. I have 87 remaining. 16 5s are is 80. I have 76 remaining. So 16 4s is again 64. So I have 12 remaining. ठीक है, so my remainder is 12. Now 12 is nothing but C in hexadecimal. ठीक है, I will again divide 3454 by 16. So this will be 16 2s are 32. 2 is remaining. 16 1s are 16. I have 9 remaining. Then 16 5s is 80. I have 14 remaining. So 14 stands for E. Again you divide 215 by 16. So that will be 16 1s are 16. You have 55. So 16 3s are is 48. So you have 7 remaining and that's it. Later on 13 is not divisible by 16. Okay? So 13 stands for what? 13 stands for D. So like I explained in the previous video also, you start with this and you move in this direction. So your first value will be D, then you will have 7, then you have E and then you have C. So your answer becomes D7EC to the base 16. So this is how you convert a decimal number to a hexadecimal number, and if necessary you can use the variables or the alphabets as well. Okay? Now let's look at the conversion from binary to octal. Now this process is slightly different. Isme what will we do? We can club 3 digits of the binary number together into a single block and write the decimal equivalent of that. Meaning, see, this is your example. So our number is 100, then 1100. So what will we do? We'll start from the right hand side. We will form blocks of 3 numbers. So this is your first block. This is your second block. This is only 1. So you can put 2 zeros. And we are going to convert it into octal. तो क्या करेंगे? देखो, first 0 will be multiplied to 2 square. Then again second 0 will be multiplied to 2 raised to 1. And the third number which is 1 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 0. ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. This is also 0. This is 1. So this value finally becomes 1. This is the same set. So this will also become 1. And this is 100. So what will you write it as? You will write it as 1 into 2 square plus baki ka both the values will be 0 only, because 0 into anything is 0. So here you will get a value of 4. So your answer becomes 114 to the base 8. So this is how you convert binary to octal. Now let's take one more example. Again we are going to form blocks of 3. So this is your first block, this is your second block, this is your third block. Now let's try to do it orally. How will we do it? देखो, this first one will be multiplied with 2 square because it is at the hundreds place. So 1 into 2 square will give you 4. Second value is 0. And the third number will be multiplied with 2 raised to 0, which is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 only. So your number will become 5. Okay, your number will become 5. Now let's look at the second set. The first one will be multiplied with 2 square, which is 4. Second one will be multiplied with 2 raised to 1, which is 2, and the third will be a 0. So your final number becomes 6. Similarly for 0, 1, 0, पहला तो 0 ही है. Second number will be multiplied with 2 raised to 1, which is 2, and the third is a 0. So you are left with 2. So this is your answer, 562 to the base 8. So in this manner you can convert binary to octal. Now, let's understand how to convert binary to hexadecimal. See, for octal, we were forming a group of 3 numbers. For hexadecimal, we are going to form a block of 4 numbers. That's the only difference. So, we are going to club 4 digits together. So, we'll start from the right hand side again. So, this is your first block. This is your second block. The rest of the entire process remains the same. So, your first number is 1110. Your next number is 1101. So the first one will be multiplied with 2 cube. Okay? Second one will be multiplied with 2 square. Third one will be multiplied with 2 raised to 1. And the last will be a 0 only. So this will be 8 plus 4, which is 12, plus 2, which is 14. 14 in hexadecimal stands for what? देखो, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, so 14 stands for E. Similarly, if you talk about 1101, this one will be multiplied with 2 cube, this with 2 square, this with 2 raised to 1, and this will be 2 raised to 0. And finally, we are going to add them. So this will be 2 cube plus 2 square, which is 8 plus 4, 12, 12, and this will be 0, because 0 into anything is 0. So this will be 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus this one will give you 13. Okay, so 13 stands for what? 13 stands for D. Okay, so your final answer will be ED to the base 16. So in this manner, you can convert it to hexadecimal. Now, yes, what if we want to convert the fractional part to other base? Okay, so this is your decimal number, which is a fractional value because it is after the decimal point and you have to convert it into binary. अभी देखो after the decimal point है, इसलिए इधर 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2 और 2 raised to minus 3 दिया है. The point is, the question is, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? What into 2 raised to minus 1? What into 2 raised to minus 2? What into 2 raised to minus 3? What is your value? Binary value. So let's understand. Suppose if I ask you what is 2 raised to minus 1? It is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 क्या होता है? 0.5. 2 raised to minus 2 is 1 upon 4, which is half of 1 upon 2. तो 0.5 का half हो जाएगा 0.25. Now 2 raised to minus 3 is 1 upon 2 cube, which is 1 upon 8. So this will be half of 0.25, which is 0.125. Now I have to arrange these digits in such a way, these digits, so that they add up to 0.625. Now pay attention. 0.625 के लिए I need a 0.5. But if with 0.5, if I add 0.25, it will become 0.75. But I don't want 0.75. I want to only go up to 0.625. What if I add first and third? That is 0.5 and 0.125. I will get 0.625, which is my necessary number. So I used the first one, I used the third one, I did not use the second one. ठीक है, so that means here I'm going to multiply 1 with 2 raised to minus 1. ठीक है, so मेरे को 0.5 मिलेगा. I didn't use the second one, so I'm going to multiply it with 0. So 0 into 2 raised to minus 2. And the third number will again be multiplied with 1 because I used it. So 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. तो हमने क्या यूज़ किया? We used 1, we used 0, we used 1. So our value becomes 101. But this is what? This is 0.625. So your binary value will also be 0.101 to the base 2. So in this manner, you can even convert the fractional part to any other base.